Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm excited to show you some amazing new features on the iPhone that you might not know about. Now, you can easily select multiple photos from all supported apps and seamlessly move or add them across those apps. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred browser like Safari and search for anything you like. Let's say dog. As you browse, you'll notice plenty of dog images. Instead of downloading each image one by one, here's a time-saving trick. Press and hold any image until it's selected. Then use your other finger to tap on other images you want to download. Scroll down and tap on the images you wish to save. Once you've selected multiple images, switch to your home screen and open the Photos app. Simply lift your holding finger and drop those images into your gallery. Ta-da! Most of the downloadable images are now saved to your photo collection. It's that easy. But wait, there's more. This fantastic feature allows you to select multiple images from anywhere. For example, I'm selecting these images by following the previous method and directly dropping them into a WhatsApp chat. With this capability, you can effortlessly send multiple images to WhatsApp or other supported apps. How cool is that, right? By using this simple tip, you can save a lot of time and energy. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.